So I want to break down how you can buy a piece of Amazon, Apple, some of the biggest stock in the world for $1. And here's how that works. And before I get into how that works, it's if you go on Amazon right now and you check out how much a share is trading for, you'll see that it's going for like $2,000. And you might think to yourself, okay, I like the stock, I like its growth potential, I like where it's going, or I just trust the brand and the company, and I have confidence and faith in the fact that they can continue to grow the business. But it's too expensive. Now, here's how you can do it. So essentially what I'm trying to get to is the concept of fractional shares. I mentioned a little bit in another video, but I felt like I wanted to sort of elaborate and expound on it here. So what's a fractional share? Okay, basically, if you've seen Bitcoin, a Bitcoin costs like, I don't know, went as high as 20,000 at one point, but you could invest in a piece of a Bitcoin on whoever trades those type of things, right? And that's the concept that since was adopted by some of these startup investment some of these investment apps, and one of them is actually Stash. Initially, I believe it was really, don't quote me on this, but I'm pretty sure this is true. Initially, they just had a basket of different investment options. One is, are you aggressive, conservative, this, that, and the other, and which is cool, especially now if you don't really know which stocks to look into. That's an excellent way to do it. Then they introduced this thing where you can invest as little as a cent into something like that. Now, mind you, if you invest a cent and you 10x your money, that's still only 10 cents. So, you know, obviously, the more you put in, the higher your returns are going to be in net dollars. Your percentages are going to look great, but you know, but still, the point is here that it's possible to get in on those big companies with fractional shares. Stash is one that does it. I saw in Robinhood, I think it was yesterday or 2 days ago, that they're starting to offer it too. So just wanted to sort of introduce that a little bit. Fractional shares is exactly what you think it is. It's basically a share that someone like that holds, and then you buy a piece of that. You know, it's almost like turning those big stocks into a mutual fund of sorts, where you just buy a piece of many things, except the many things is an Apple stock chopped into pieces that you then own with others, and is governed by one person that holds it. In this case, it would be Robinhood or Stash. Am I making sense? I hope I am. Either way, the net result is that you can buy a piece of Amazon and Apple for as low as $1, even though they trade as high as $2,000. All right, just wanted to break that down a little bit. I hope that makes sense. Any questions, hit me up. If not, Google fractional shares. It is not as hard as it seems. A lot of it is common sense. It's just camouflage behind big terms. Like in real estate, we use multifamily. That just means building that people live in. You know, so don't be intimidated by the big jargon. It's really not that complex once you just look through the filth that's supposed to intimidate you. All right, have an excellent day. I'm about to get back to my workout. Whew. And I'm going back inside. Stay safe, everybody.